Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been driving for 30 minutes. Just ate my breakfast, which contained of 5 eggs, nothing on it, just 5 boiled eggs, and I'm heading back to the customer in Åkersberga. He had another tree, another oak he wanted to take down, and also mill into the same kind of posts we did last time. I guess I'm gonna call him or something because he's on vacation and won't be home in another 2 weeks or so, I guess. That's where we're starting, at least. Hope you have a good day, because I will. So that limb is down, and now it's time to assemble just a basic small bar and take the stem down, and then we're gonna clean a bit, move the log, and get rid of the evidence.
cried, yeah, believe me. Child, you've already won. There's nothing you could do to keep my heart from you. Just keep your head up high. Hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, made dreams. Trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. No, I promise I'll stay. Promise I'll stay. I'll never leave, you know. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side.
This is gonna sound like an after reconstruction, but I could basically put the tree anywhere I want except the house, but it wouldn't even reach the house. So I figured that I wanted to land it on the grass. In the beginning I was pretty sure it was gonna lean towards the sandbox up there, but I figured to myself it had like a bend to it, and I was trying to utilize that and learn myself something in this process and aim the tree towards a way I wanted it instead of felling the tree towards the angle itself wanted to go. All in all, good practice. The tree is where I wanted it. Don't need to tangle with this mess now. The client is currently on a flight to France, so I can't get in touch with him at the moment. He will land in about 90 minutes, but the tree is a meter shorter than he wanted. So he wanted me to divide it into two 4-meter pieces. Well, it's only 7 meters, so one part is going to be shorter, either the slabs or the posts. So I just got to go from the customer. He just landed. It didn't take 90 minutes because I forgot that I took down the tree, and yeah, some minutes were lost there. This part until that saw is gonna be slabs, and then we're gonna make some rough posts out of that one, but we gotta cut her first. But I promise I'll stay. So that was the first one, and now we're gonna lower it for the slabbing. And we're going for 6 centimeter slabs. So we put it at 6, double check. That's it, everything's tight. I removed the brass inlays, so now these are correct, which is a nice thing, because I had some struggle with it not being... I put it at 9 and it was actually 12. It's in the good direction, but usually heavy to move. So that was the first log, and now it's time for some post making. But I want to clear some of the leaves up so they don't end up in the corner of the fence there. I'm try blow them on the grass because it will rain later tonight. Then they maybe stay here on the grass. And now the more challenging part. Getting a straight side on this piece. This is gonna be a hard one because, as you can see, it's not really straight. On that side, this is a pretty straight side, so I think milling out a thick slab out of this angle. So first cut on this side, and then you put the mill to the desired height, take a fat slab out, stand it up, cut it out is the best way to go. So to get the posts sort of square, I always make one cut, put a piece of board on that side, like that, so it's real sturdy on that side, which we're gonna anchor it to. If you get what I'm trying to tell you. Also, don't put them, either you put them too deep so you don't hit them, or you go above where you're not milling. It's quite hot day, but also not, so it's really shifting. Currently it's very cloudy, quite dark, looks like it's gonna be some thunder or rain soon, but we're really close now. One beam is done, we're gonna make another one. I'm not sure if it's gonna go all the way. And then we're gonna make some out of that one as well. Then it's clean up time and pack up time. We got a pile of firewood, we got the slabs, and we got 5. One is behind, but it's not just, it doesn't look as good as the other ones. Posts. I'm gonna put the camera back in there. We're gonna take this, shove it in the car, maybe in the back. I really do need a new one anyways. Like that, like that. Yeah, we're done here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you enjoy what I do. Take care, guys.